and welcome to this vlog. I'm Katie and I'm gonna rebuild this Volkswagen Mark III Otmar Art Edition. There were only 1000 made and this is one of them. So it's not my car, it's my friend's and I'm helping him. But I will talk about that in the end of the video. This is the whole project. We got it in yesterday and it was in outside. What does make an Otmar Art golf is mainly the stickers, artist stickers. This is a leftover, of course. We don't have the original ones yet. This fender should have one sticker right about here. It has super cool interior, it's leather, and we have the seats. They are extremely cool in my opinion. This is also one of the features. There should be a number, this serious number of this Golf. We don't know what it is. Maybe we'll find out somehow. Yeah, it's gone unfortunately. So in addition to the stickers and the interior, it has this with the three brake lights. These are black, hello black. Otmar Art sticker, this should be red, and on this side there should be a Golf which is also in red. I think the steering wheel is adjustable. Electric windows. Then there's the side airbags. So this is the 1.6 petrol engine. There's also 1.9 diesel. We are thinking if we should change this for something more interesting, but we'll see. These washers are also heated, and let me think. The whole body is painted of the body color, like the mirrors and this stuff. So what's the deal with me rebuilding my friend's car? Is that my own is done. I already did it like 3 years ago, or is it 4? I don't know. Time goes by so fast. Anyway, this is it. This is my Volkswagen Corrado, 2.9 VR6 engine, 94 year, and I bought it like 7 years ago with the wish that I will rebuild this myself, and I'm learning on the go because I don't have any background. I didn't grow up with the car parents or whatever. Life brought me to cars, and it got stuck. I love the process of reawakening the glory of a classic car or a rare car, and thus the Golf. I think what I like the most about the rebuilding is the whole process, like me getting to know the car, taking it apart, then learning while doing, learning with the mistakes. Oh boy, there's been there's been some. And then to look the whole thing when it's ready. This is cool. and I think it's an honor to build these rare cars because of the way we are heading right now is not for my liking, but I'm gonna be that part of the car culture that is staying true with the old classics. So come and build this Mark III with me. I will show you the whole journey. There's a lot I don't know. There's a lot I have to learn while doing, and there's a lot of work. So yeah, if you look forward to the next video, then like and subscribe and comment, and we'll see you then. The Otmar Art Edition is full of lisad. My English is a little rusty like this car. I don't remember what to call them. Fuse. No fuse, no stupid. And it has been... I'm sorry, I got a call. Yo.